Solitaire Cash is a no withdrawal fee app. Its official withdrawal instructions explicitly say a processing fee is deducted. So if you're looking for solitaire apps where you can cash out without a withdrawal charge, you need to check the payout rules app by app. By the end, you'll know which popular solitaire cash apps actually disclose withdrawal fees, which ones leave fees dependent on the payment method, and which apps are worth checking before you deposit money. First, Solitaire Smash'n is one of the apps to examine closely. Its current terms say withdrawal rules can include a withdrawal fee, and those rules can be changed at the company's discretion. It also says your bank, credit card, PayPal account, or other payment account may charge additional fees for receiving funds. That means Solitaire Smash cannot honestly be called a guaranteed zero-fee withdrawal app. Before requesting a payout, check the withdrawal screen for the exact fee attached to your payment method. Second, Skills-powered solitaire games deserve a look. But there's another catch. Skills' current legal terms say a check processing fee of up to $82 can apply to withdrawals below $10. Withdrawals can also be processed by check or refunded to the payment method used for deposits. So if your goal is zero fees, don't choose a withdrawal method until you see the actual charge. Third, Solitaire Clash'n is widely listed among the major real money solitaire apps, but you should separate the game itself from the payment method. A free download doesn't automatically mean a free withdrawal. Check the withdrawal terms inside the current version of the app before assuming your entire balance will arrive. Fourth, Solitaire Stash'n is another cash solitaire option worth checking. Like the other tournament-style apps, the important detail isn't simply whether the game advertises real cash. It's whether your selected withdrawal method deducts a fee when you actually request your winnings. Fifth, Solitaire Infinite is another free-to-download cash solitaire title, currently appearing among popular 2026 solitaire apps. But free to download and free to withdraw are two completely different claims. So here's the practical rule. Never judge withdrawal fees from the app's download page. Open the cash out section, select your withdrawal method, and look for a processing fee before confirming. The two biggest examples are clear. Solitaire Cash currently deducts a withdrawal processing fee, while Skills' terms allow a fee of up to $2 for checks under $10. If you want a genuinely no-fee withdrawal, verify the final payout amount before submitting the request. If the app shows a fee, cancel and compare another payment option. Check that number before depositing money, and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.